Okay, this is the second video for the Craftersmark floating shelf bracket kit. First I marked the center the long way and then the center cutting it in half. And then you attach your template with the provided screws that they give you. There's going to be a product link for this down in the description so you can check that out. And once you have your template attached, you attach this drilling guide with the provided screws, and then they also provide you a nice big auger bit to drill these holes out. So that's what I'm going to do here. Also in the product link, there is going to be a 10% off coupon code if you follow that product link that I have in the description. And I'm also going to have an extra promo code in there for an extra 5% off, which you can combine with this deal here. So yeah, you can see me here. I'm finishing up drilling out the holes. After you take the drilling guide off, you got to make sure you go all the way down or as deep as you need. It's in the directions, so just follow the directions there, and then you blow your holes out. And then after that, they provide you with a router bit that has a bearing on it, so it's a flush cut router bit basically. And yeah, so you just router out, go along the template here, and it's very easy to do this. And there you go. Yeah, so if you, oh yeah, don't forget to blow out your holes. You gotta get all that crap out of there. And then you just make sure it fits. This is just a test fit, which fits in there nice and snug. And then it's also recessed out further down because you have to allow room for the screws when you attach it to the wall. So anyway, check out the Craftersmark floating shelf bracket kit. Follow the link.